Now here you have to get the sheets, you have to paste the crumbs like this in this manner. Further get a clay and then with the help of scissors you need to cut it and make it into this form. Just get the shells, make it into this manner, and this is gonna look pretty. Isn't it? Just paste the dots all around and make the plants as well, and then the clouds along the sides. Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and doing well. I welcome you to an interesting video. Let's see what are we gonna do today. Here you have to get a clay and then press these things together. You have to get these pasted into the form of a nest and keep the eggs in between. Paste the leaves and all, and this is gonna look pretty cool. Here get a sheet. What are we up to? Get the tape and then you need to press them together in this manner, and then along a white sheet you need to make it in this form. Make the layers like this in this manner. Make something like this and then just color them up further in this manner, making the patterns like this. Further here make the lines. Along the lines you have to make it in this form, and pretty cool and amazing. Now here you just have to curl them up and make it look like this. This is gonna look absolutely pretty. Keep on proceeding and let's see what are we up to. Just keep on getting the sheets, make the cactus look like this and make a pot as well. This is cool, right? You can decorate the scenery further in this manner to make it look like this.